600 kilometers as it makes 89 after coming back to corners in the actually 11 pilots in the red top red 1 to 9 displaying in front of you today. Myself, Red Tape, Team Supervisor, former Tornado GR4 pilot and former qualifier and of course, as a military unit, we are commanded by Wing Commander Adam Collins, Officer Commanding Rafat. He's a former Tornado GR4 pilot and he also flew the F-111 while on exchange with the Royal Australian Air Force. Now see the team start to change for Red 1. Here's Red 2 scoring their crystal tower. Where he was seeking Air Force Cross for service and operation. His opposite number on the left hand side is Red 3, Flight Lieutenant Dustin Wales, known as Dusty. Originally from Zimbabwe, it's his first year in the team. Once again, the team pumped up at over 600 kilometers an hour, showing the expertise of the pilots maintaining that formation in lead. Not to make it too easy, they now change that formation from Concord into Sealand. Reaching a height of over 5,500 to 6,000 feet, the aircraft slowed to approximately 120 kilometers an hour, making the controls a lot less responsive. Those pilots working extremely hard to maintain that formation. Conversely, those aircraft are now accelerating back through 2, 3, 400, 500, back to that 600 kilometers an hour, making those responses even more those controls even more responsive as Red 1 brings them around the left in Sealand.
Sorry guys, I need you off the bridge, thank you.
In the middle of that right wing, uppermost is Red 4, Flight Lieutenant Ollie Suckling. Ollie's in his second year on the team. He was Red 4 last year, he remained as Red 4 and took up the role of Uncle Enid. This means he's a mentor, works alongside Red 1 during winter training. On the front row on the far left hand side is Red 5, Flight Lieutenant George Hopkins. Once again, in his first year in the team, a full Typhoon pilot and he's also taking part in operations in the summer. As we go into the second half of the season, moving up close to the 2003. This is the 5-4 split. As we go down to those two distant sections, off to the right hand side, you have Reds 1 through 5, known as Enid, named after 5-4 cross.
用水喷掉。
对。
Right through up to 1979 and 1980, we took control of the World Tour. The aircraft itself is actually 50 years old this year. It's extremely fun. Smoke comes on for the world famous Synchro Heart. Let's give Red 6, 7 and 8 a massive round of applause for Wonders of Heart on the skies of Toronto. Up again once at 600 kilometers an hour, he will roll to the right once again. Get your cameras ready for the Vixen vertical brake. As the Vixen vertical brake Leave to our front. Keep looking to your left. Keep looking to your right. You're looking for the synchro pair. This time red 6 coming in from the left. Red 7 coming in from the right. Once again, that close speed of over 1,200 kilometers an hour. Once again, that's a synchro pair. Lead to our rear. You're looking to your front. And you can see our famous red, white and blue, only capable due to the smoke pod, which is a small tank under the belly of the aeroplane. That smoke pod is capable of producing approximately 5 minutes of white smoke, 1 minute of red smoke and 1 minute of blue smoke, with each of the colours having their own button on the pilot's control panel. And during winter training, red 1 and red 6 come up with a smoke plan to ensure that we have the right colour at the right time in the display and simply do not run out. Reds 2, 3, 4 and 5 now have moved forwards, looking alongside their counterparts, looking along their shoulder line 90 degrees towards red 1, coming up to 3 to 4G as the smoke comes on to finish the coils of the serpents in tango formation. His head as with 7, 8 and 9 hold on to his wing to perform an inverted barrel roll in the mirror roll. Display season, and to celebrate you see grades 8 and 9 doing a wonderful 60 in the skies to celebrate 60 display seasons of the Red Hour. Let's turn hard back towards the display line for their final move. However, Toronto, it's been an honour and a pleasure. Please put your hands together for the 2024 Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team. It's the Red Arrow! We've got one. Where is he now going to join up with his